Welcome back to Lit Mode. Our target is always to leverage your time so that you can get the selection in minimum time. So in this video, we will discuss next 25 days NABARD strategy for men's exam, which is scheduled on 24th of September. The Hindi video is already uploaded and you can get that on the left hand side top I button. So let's proceed. So first thing is cutoff. So you need to know like what is the bullseye where you have to hit. So the bullseye is this thing, the cutoff. So this year the cutoff was around 154 marks for generalist, and it's inclusive of interview plus mains. And here I have given you a sample scorecard of a student who has applied for assistant manager in Cadre RDBS general and he was unreserved. Now coming back to the score, in descriptive he scored 70.5, in the general discipline means ESI ARD over here scored 60.75, so total 131.25, and the interview 19. So if I add up these two, the total score was around 152 marks. Okay, so that was to be more accurate 150.25, but we were not able to make it. Why? Because the overall cutoff was 154. So that's the pain point. Here you have to score at least out of 200 140 to 150 marks, so that interview becomes a formality. Means the cutoff, like for this the cutoff was 124, so you have to score at least 20 plus marks so that the interview becomes formality, because this guy has scored around 80% mark. You don't know whether you will score 80% or not. Maybe your score is 12 marks or 15 marks, then what will happen? So you have to score at least 20 marks more than the paper cutoff, and the rule applies for finance as well as legal, IT and CA. Moving forward, these were few questions which were asked from this guy. You can take a screenshot of this. Moving forward, this is the notification. On 24th of September the exam is going to be conducted, and the center change application is open, and you can apply it for 7th till 7th September for center change. So do mark it. If you have to switch your center from Bangalore to Patna or Chennai to Kolkata, so you can do it till 7th. Moving forward, this is the cutoff. So here you can see clearly, like for general unreserved the cutoff was 127.5 and it was 133.75 for finance. Similarly, it was around 125 to 130 for all other sections of the exam. But wait, there is a thing. Now this is the final cutoff. This is the final cutoff inclusive of mains plus interview. Now here what you will see, like for general unreserved 127.5 was the cutoff, but here you will see the final cutoff for unreserved and general was 154. So that's what I am trying to explain. If you add 127 plus 25 full marks in interview, still you will get 152 marks, which is not enough for OBC also. So what you have to do, you have to not just clear the cutoff, but you have to score more in mains. And when I say score more, means at least 20 plus marks. Now from where you will fetch 20 plus marks, that I will explain further in this video. So do watch the video full, and if you have not subscribed, then do subscribe the video and like it as well. Same goes for finance. Here you can see the cutoff for finance was 133.75, and for finance here you can see the overall cutoff was 157.75. So 133 plus 25 maximum marks. So again it will be 157, 158. So that's not possible. So here also you have to score more marks. So you can see the same applies for other branches also, like environment, dairy, food processing, etc. So the crux you got, like you have to score more in mains. Coming to the date, the D day is 24th September and the total number of seats are 154. The generalist seat are 70 out of 139. It's around 169. And for Rajbhasha it's 8 and legal 3. So these are the vacancies. Coming to the mains paper, when I talk about the mains paper, here you can see that there are two papers. Okay, so the first one is descriptive and the second paper is for specialized, like if you have filled by general discipline, then it's ESI and ARD, and for a specialized discipline like legal, finance, IT, it's common. Now what's the key over here is you have to score more over here, because in this paper hardly you will see people getting 70 plus marks, at least for this discipline. Okay, so scoring 70-80 is not a easy task in this paper, but here you can easily score 70 to 80 marks, and people have scored multiple times. Like I have shown you in first slide also, then this guy has scored around 70.5 marks. So you can also score 70 plus, and in fact I can say 80 plus. For descriptive, our course is available, and you can check the description to enroll for the descriptive course, where essay, précis, later as well as comprehension will be checked, and your quality will be increased in real time, keeping in mind your feedback, and we will follow the loop. We will just personalize your guidance, and we will help you to score more in descriptive. And the writing skill video is already online. For Rajbhasha, the paper format is different. Here you need proficiency in Hindi, including translation from English to Hindi and vice versa. So here translation is important. The analytical and drafting ability of the candidates will also be assessed from the descriptive paper. For legal, there is a different paper, and you have to score 100 marks. Out of 100 marks, you have to score as much as possible. Coming to the descriptive paper, essay, précis, later, and comprehension will be there. And these are some hint. Like in essay, you need to focus on typing. Your typing speed should be good, at least 20 words per minute. Structuring is very important. Data should be quoted. Like today, the government has released the data which is by NSO, which says that the India's GDP of April to June quarter has decreased by 24%. So that's the important data which you can quote if there is a essay on coronavirus impact on Indian economy. Coming to grammar and vocab, the software is checking, so your grammar, vocab and punctuation should be up to the mark. And these all things will be checked in the evaluation if you enroll for our course, because the parameters for checking should be this. Okay, this is some general tips for ESI ARD people, like Kurukshetra Yojana, practice quizzes, mock test, and all those things. So our mock test is also available. You don't need to go through Yojana, Kurukshetra, PIB, Ministry of Agriculture, NABARD report, and all those things. Our material is more than enough, and mock tests are already there. So remember the key points of budget and survey, and keep handy notes if you have already. If you don't have, then just appear for our mock to gauge your preparation. Coming to our courses, this is RBI course which is already live. If you are interested in RBI Grade B course, so do enroll for it. And the course is at discounted price currently. The original price is 10,000, but currently it's at 5,100. So this is a discounted price for limited time. So do avail it, else after RBI notification arrives, the price will go back to 10,000. Here you will get finance, management, ESI, descriptive, GA, everything. And you need to do parallel preparation, phase 1 plus phase 2. Otherwise this year you are not going to get chance between phase 1 and phase 2. There will be maximum 15 days gap. So you need to prepare phase 2 first and phase 1 when the notification comes. Moving forward, there are also NABARD courses which are live. Apart from that, our English descriptive course is also there, in which you can prepare for RBI, SEBI, PFRDA, IBPS, SSC, SPI, CAPF, all descriptive in a single course, which is at an affordable price. As well as if you want only for NABARD descriptive, then it's at this is also available at an affordable price. And this is the price of ours, and in market the price is 3500 of 2 mocks. I don't want to take the brand name, but yes, this is happening, and we don't want to just in corona time we just don't want to extort money from you. That's why we have kept the price at a affordable range. Moving forward, there are also courses for GA, GK for all bank exams, like RRB PO clerk, SBI PO clerk, IBPS PO clerk, and RBI English descriptive. If you don't just want for RBI English descriptive, that's also available. And IBPS RRB PO clerk is also going on the full course. Moving forward, these are the things you will get in descriptive. For essays, you will get probable topics as well as fodder material. For précis, you will get proper guidance through videos, and the videos are already uploaded on YouTube also. You can check the essay and précis guidance video on YouTube, how to write mail and later. Both is important. So one will come for sure. So the format is very important, and you will also get how to write and the feedback if you subscribe for our courses. Moving forward to comprehension, so here the logic is important, and how you are going to write it, and the evaluation is totally important in all those things. So if you want to convert your NABARD grade B, NABARD grade A chances, so do subscribe us. And this is our review, so you can see our reviews are extremely positive, and you can check from the description link also our social media pages where you can get the reviews. Now, why should you opt for light mocks? So here are the reasons. We have quality over quantity. We want you to move from 2 lakh to, you are in 2000 pool, so you have to go to 150 pool who are going to get the final job. So do subscribers to go over there. Personalized guidance over mail, call is there, and the guidance will give UPSC, RBI, NABARD toppers, and the improvement of your scores should be up to 70-80 marks, so that you can improve your selection chances, because now you don't know you are at 40 mark or 50 mark in descriptive, because you have not given any test, you don't have any evaluation, so you need to get your litmus test done, and you can test your knowledge at a pizza cost, which is around 700-800 rupees. Why should you wait for 1 year, maybe 2 years also, if NABARD vacancy doesn't comes in 2021? And it will also help in RBI, SEBI, NABARD, PFRD, NHB, because NABARD will help. Descriptive is there in RBI, SEBI, PFRD, NHB also. Fodder material and probable is a topic you will definitely get. Reviews you can see again, and if you have any doubt, you can mail us at hi@lightmode, and check description for more details. And RBI SEBI combo course is already live, so you can enroll for that also. So if you like the video, do hit the like button, and I hope that you clear RBI NABARD mains exam with a margin, like if the cutoff is 130, so you're going to score 150 and target at least 150-160 marks, so that the interview becomes a formality. That's the key. Thank you for watching the video. God bless you all.